What's up YouTube, it's your boy Johnston back again with another video, and today I'm going to be having a new series that I actually want to start, and this is going to be a restoration series or kind of like a makeover series. So basically in this series what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going out to thrift stores and stores that sell stuff for the low, and I'm going to be buying them for a really cheap price, and I'm going to be fixing them up. So this is going to be more based on dress shoes because dress shoes are easier to clean and restore, whereas if you buy an old pair of Jordans, you know, like if I find a pair of Jordans that isn't cracked in the midsole and stuff, I will actually buy those and put it as part of the series. But other than that, Jordans tend to have a cracking sole problem, so that's something that I don't want to deal with like in the future. So that's why I want to focus more on dress shoes, like good quality dress shoes. If I can find them for cheap, I will make them into this series. So first off, this is gonna be episode 1 of the series, and I went to the DI. This is Deseret Industries. And this is actually a thrift store in Utah where I live, and I picked up these dress shoes right here. These are Johnston Murphy's dress shoes. These are actually loafers. I'm not sure. I'm not like too. I know that they're not tassel loafers. I feel like they're like penny loafers or something. I'm not actually sure what these are. I just picked them up because I know Johnston Murphy is actually a pretty good brand, and these are kind of really like beat up and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like you have scuff marks all over the shoe, and it's like creasing terribly and all that other stuff, and it's starting to wear back at the end also. It's wearing back. The sole is still intact, and that's what really drew me towards these shoes. And as you guys can see, I picked up these for a steal of a deal for $5. And these retail anywhere between $100 and up. So that's why when I saw these, I was like, I'm gonna pick them up and maybe I can do something with them. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I'm gonna be cleaning these. What's up guys, so we're in the bathroom now. So I actually took like 20 minutes trying to peel off the stickers, and you guys can see there's still some residue in there. But we're here, so what I'm gonna be doing is just kind of roughly cleaning it, just kind of like getting the dust off of the uppers and trying to give them a little bit more shine and life. So I'm just gonna be using a regular like brush, and I'm gonna be using Refresh shoe cleaner. So yeah, let's get started. So I roughly cleaned these, and we're gonna go back downstairs now, and I'll dry these up and then I'll go back downstairs. So we're back in my room, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be cutting off some loose threads with these nail clippers. So I'm gonna be doing that real quick. The reason I do this right before, and I'm gonna do it after, is that sometimes if the thread is still loose, sometimes when you brush the shoe down, it kind of like starts to peel away even more, and I don't really want that happening. So that's why I'm going to be doing this real quick. So alrighty, so after we've done that, what you're gonna need, so what you're actually gonna need are some shoe polishes. You can get some for really cheap or some for like a little bit better for a notable brand. Kiwi shoe polish is a little bit more notable than what this is. You know, this is like 50 cents to $1 where you can find it, like a dollar store or something, and this is more of a $2-3 kind of thing, and it comes in bigger sizes, and it's more well known. You can get it at Walmart and stuff. So you're gonna need that. This is for the end. What you're gonna actually need is shoe cream. This actually re-moistens the shoe and it gives it that vibrant color, and it actually soaks into the shoe, so that's why you use shoe cream. So yeah, first off, we are gonna apply some shoe cream. Where I got this is actually from Softsole. I got it for $3.99 at Nordstrom Rack, so if you guys want to head over there and see if you guys can get it. But what you want to do is dab some up on here and just like dab it all over the shoe. Just to get it all over the shoe, rub it in there. And you're gonna do this until the whole shoe is covered. And sometimes I want to repeat this process more than once, maybe 2-3 times, just in case, so it gets more soaked in. But you want to do it in kind of like sessions. So first off, what I do is I do one shoe, and then I'll leave that shoe, and then I'll start the other shoe, and then I'll repeat the process 2 or 3 times. And for shoes like this, don't forget to get under the part if there's more than one layer of leather. And then after that, you're just gonna let them sit for just a couple minutes, and I'm just gonna put some shoe trees in them. So next, what I'm going to be doing is kind of like brushing it down just a little bit, getting rid of a little bit of the excess. I'm just going to do this really lightly, and this is just going to get rid of all the excess on top. So yeah. Now the last and final step of this, let me put some of this stuff away, is actually to polish the shoes with the black polish. So I'm just gonna try to open them. So I don't know if you guys saw that, but it actually went flying all the way over there and hit my floor. So yeah, so I'm gonna be right back and kind of try to clean up a little bit. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna be using the piece that fell on the floor and kind of rubbing it all over the shoe. You usually don't do this with your hands, but since my hands are already dirtied, I'm just gonna be doing it with my hands. Usually what I use is an old t-shirt or a cloth, something like this, and I will be applying it like that and then just like rubbing it on the shoe. It just spreads more evenly that way, but since my hands are already dirty, I might as well just do it with my fingers. And then what I'm going to be doing now is buffing out the shoes. So I just finished polishing up, as you guys just saw barely, and wow, like these are back to life. As you guys can see, these are as shiny as ever. They look almost near brand new. They just have a few creases in them, but that's with wear. Like, you can't really fix that. You can if you really wanted to, if it was bad enough, but the leather is looking a lot better. It's super shiny and it looks really clean now. The soles are a lot cleaner as well. These are just beautiful shoes right now, if I do say so myself. as you guys can see, both shoes are like that. Wow. So all I did in a wrap up is I cleaned the shoe, and after I cleaned the shoe I dried the shoe, and when I dried the shoe I put some shoe cream on it. After the shoe cream I brushed off any excess, and then after all that I ended up putting more some polish on it, and then I just buffed out the polish, and this is what it was. And this is what happened. This was around 30 minutes of work. As you guys can see, you don't really have to put that much time into it. The more you do it, the more you get used to it, and the faster you'll be able to do it and achieve similar results, if not better results. So yeah, these are my new Johnston Murphy loafers. Tell me what you guys think about this new segment down below, and if you guys do like this segment, please give this video a thumbs up so I can know that you guys want to see more of this. And if you guys want to see similar videos, just let me know down below in the comment sections. I'll be sure to check those. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. This is your boy Trends in the Making, signing off. Peace out, YouTube.